I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select a trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Now here search and select Zoho Desk. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Choose a respective data center. To get client ID and client secret, please visit Zoho API Console. Get started. Create a server-based application. Give an application name. Copy the homepage URL and authorized redirect URI and paste it here. Copy the client ID and client secret and paste it here. Click Authorize. Accept authentication. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Select the portal and department. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. You can select a ticket owner, and products also can send attachments. The ticket owner is required. Select a ticket owner. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Here is the data that came into Zoho Desk through the integration. Thanks for watching.